I wrote a speech for my sister. This speech I would like to dedicate it to Lindsay Shelton, my crazy but fun-filling sister. She is the reason I am not afraid to try. She has been my role model and inspiration throughout life. Lizzie has changed my life and many more forever. I believe that when she goes to college, everything will be black and white. Everyone will walk with their heads down. The people in Denton will be having the time of their life, so they should live it while they can. I have been granted a wish for Lindsay Shelton being my sister. She has helped me in many ways. This will not be my last speech because Lindsay will be making many more accomplishments and memories. Thank you for letting me give a speech. It really meant a lot for me being able to share my feelings with everyone.